You could have a great book, solid keywords, even a decent cover. But if you list it in the wrong Amazon KDP category, hardly anyone will ever see it. That's why I always use Publisher Rocket's category search before I publish. See what happens here. We're inside Publisher Rocket, and we're about to use the category search tool. Now look at this. Rocket pulls up a list of Amazon KDP categories related to my niche. You can instantly see how many books you need to sell per day to hit the #1 spot in each one. That's a huge difference, and it's kind of the thing most KDP authors completely miss. This tool helps you avoid low traffic or ultra competitive categories that kill your book's visibility before it even gets a chance. If you want to publish smarter, use this data to pick a category that gives your book a fighting chance. You can grab Publisher Rocket using the link in the description. It's a one-time payment, and it will seriously level up how you approach Amazon KDP.